Hi guys, today I'll tell you how to make a homemade whitening face mask. To prepare a home remedy you'll need only 2 ingredients: 3 leaves of black currant and 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt. Cut well-washed leaves. Mix the ingredients. Press the resulting mass through gauze. Apply the mask to the cleansed face and leave for 20 minutes. After that, wash your face with cool water. To obtain the desired result, the procedure should be carried out regularly once a week. This natural remedy will whiten your skin and saturate it with useful microelements, prevents acne and fine wrinkles.